Unboxing a brand new custom Oakley Jawbone. Okay guys, I got this thing for my birthday and I just went all out and I got a custom Oakley sunglasses and I made it exactly the way I wanted it and it just arrived. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. I normally don't buy expensive sunglasses, usually the ones from the gas station, but I recently bought some Oakleys and they were fantastic. You know, if you're wondering if Oakleys are hype or if they're the real deal, in my own personal opinion, they're the real deal, okay? Because the product is amazing. Now I've owned about 6 different Oakleys. The product is amazing. The customer service is amazing. Cool, man. Got this little thing on there. Let me go ahead and open this up for you. I was able to customize everything on this glass. Okay, so the Jawbone is pretty much their top of the line cycling glass. So you do get this little custom wipe. You do get these little extra nose pieces. You do get the case. You do get a custom box. It does come in a really nice box. And let me show you my custom Jawbone. Holy moly, ladies and gentlemen, check these bad boys out. All right, look at it. And these are the coolest ones that I've owned so far. I basically got everything custom about it. And I was able to even...
Real quick, download my free book, Real Estate Investing for Beginners, the ultimate starter guide at myrealestatedojo.com, where I teach you how to find motivated sellers, buy their homes at a deep discount, and then have the seller become your own private bank. Subject to, get it now. One more thing, if you're looking for private one-on-one help when it comes to real estate investing, then consider joining my academy where you sit down with me one-on-one. 2, you get monthly coaching. 3, you get access to my best-selling courses. 4, you get access to my video library, and then the list goes on for just $97 a month. Join me now at MrNoFluff.com. Lastly, the best 6-figure side hustle, bicycle flipping. Want to see how? Here's a behind-the-scene video how I did it. Go to thebestsidehustle.MrNoFluff.com. Now let's get back to the content.
Even sketch my company name, Mr. No Fluff, on the lenses, guys. Check that out. I don't know if you can see. That's my kids over there. There you go. So I got everything custom about this. So this is the Oakley Jawbone Custom. Now the custom, you can choose what kind of lenses you want. I got the Prizm lenses. I got the ROAD Dark. You're able to change, you know, the arms, the head, arm. The top. I changed the top of the frame. The top of the frame is gray. The bottom is black. Again, these are the ROAD Prizm, specialized for the sports. So these are basically the ones that you see the top athletes use. They do have the normal lenses. They do have the Prizm lens. I went with the Prizm. In the Prizm lens, they have the everyday use and they have the sport specific. I got the sport specific one, okay? This is for cycling. I love to cycle. I got these for my cycling glass. The lenses are interchangeable. It says custom on there. I mean, this is a sweet glass, guys. And when I put it on, it fits me really, really good. Now, I just got them, so I'm just doing an open box review. I'll wear them, and I'll give you a no fluff review. But so far, I love Oakleys because A, they make really, really good product. The lenses are truly amazing. The Prizm technology is pretty amazing. The lenses are almost bulletproof. The frame is, you know, interchangeable. They're not, you know, cheap glasses. So they're the real deal. And I'm totally stoked with them. These cost me about $272. So $272 for these glasses to get them custom the way I want. I was able to change the design here. The arm on this you know, you can open it up and adjust it. It goes back and forth, depends on your helmet. So again, I was able to sketch my Mr. No Fluff into the glasses. I'm super stoked with them. I mean, these are super light. I have another one of these jawbone glasses, but they're in the retina neon green. And that one, you know, my wife didn't like it that much. I like it. I don't have it with me right now, but I'll do a comparison video for you guys. So one of the cool things about Oakley is that, you know, not only do they have a great product, they have great services. What I mean that, you know, if you order glass with them, something's wrong, you give them a call, they're gonna take care of you, okay? How do I know? Because I've used it. I got products from them, it wasn't straight. I called them, they sent me another one ASAP. Some companies are not like that, ladies and gentlemen. Some companies, it's like pulling teeth. You pay them, they send you junk, and then you gotta like pull teeth to get it fixed. Oakley has not been like that. They've been a really stand-up company for me. Now I own at least 7 pairs of Oakleys, if not more, just because they make great products. The lenses are amazing. The customer service is right on par. So I can't ask anything more, ladies and gentlemen. So if you're looking for a pair of Oakleys, highly recommend. If you're looking for a pair of sunglasses, I should say, highly recommend Oakleys. Now, let me put the disclaimer out there. I bought this with my own money. Actually, my wife bought it for me. And, you know, this is not a sponsor ad. I'm not sponsored by these guys. I'm just giving it to you as an owner's review, no fluff. On a scale of 1 to 10, I give Oakley a 10, ladies and gentlemen. Their stuff rocks. You know, the lenses interchange. You just pop up this little nose piece. This little frame comes out and you can change the lenses, but I have multiple of these, so I'm just gonna keep them the same. If you have any questions about the Oakley Jawbreakers, leave me a comment below. I'd be happy to answer them for you. They're not cheap, but if you take care of your tools will take care of you. And these things will definitely take care of your eyes, take care of all the junk going into them, and will protect you. And looks cool. Thanks, guys. Much love.